So hello guys, so the topic today is about properties of fluid. So this topic is under to the fluid mechanics. So part 2 na to ng video natin. So first panoorin nyo muna yung part 1 guys para hindi kayo malito. So proceed na tayo kaagad. So the dynamic viscosity guys. Dynamic viscosity, ito yun yung symbol niya, mu d. So the formula niyan guys, ito yung shear stress, viscosity gradient, ito yan, and then wait lang, mu d, which is the dynamic viscosity, guys. So, yung velocity gradient, guys, ito, is perpendicular yan dito sa shear stress, in which, kung ang gradient natin is lumalaki, guys, yung shear stress na meron dito, guys, is lumalaki din. So, proportional sila sa isa't isa. Kung nandito na yan sa pinakababa, maliit na yung shear stress niya dyan, guys. Gets ba? So, dynamic viscosity is the property of fluid in which determines the amount of resistance to shear the forces, guys. That is the dynamic viscosity. So, ito yung mga units na meron sa kanila. The dynamic viscosity is the Newton per meter squared seconds or the Pascal seconds. So for the kinematic viscosity, the mu k, it is the mu d all over the density. It's the ratio of the dynamic viscosity of the fluid to the mass density. Mass density, guys. So ito yung mga corresponding units nila, guys. So dito guys, meron tayong pinaka-table dito na kung saan mas mapapadali natin. Ito, wait lang. The dynamic viscosity is the absolute viscosity. Parehas lang yon. Yung unit niya is Pascal seconds or in CGS, the centigram units guys is 9 centimeters squared seconds. And in English, guys, PSI seconds, or in rain, poise, and stoke. Pag stoke, corresponding unit niyan is centimeter seconds, centimeter square per seconds. Pag mu k, kinetic, guys, ito yung units niya, no? Tas, ito ay inches squared per seconds. Pag sinabing 1 Pascal seconds is equal sa 10 poise. Tandaan yan guys, conversion yan, speedrun conversion. Tas ito guys, poise equals sa SG stoke. Ito yung alternate formula wherein given ka agad ng poise, tas given ka rin ng SG, pinapahanap is stoke. So makukuha mong value nun guys is stoke. Or vice versa guys, given ka ng stoke, given ka ng SG, makukuha mong sagot in units is poise. So, sana tayo? Capillary action, guys. So, sa capillary action, guys, or capillary tube, it is the rise and fall of the fluid in a capillary tube. Ito yung capillary tube, yung pinaka lalagyan, yung glass na yan, guys. So, capillary is caused by a surface tension between liquid and a vertical solid water in the capillary tube. So, yung surface tension, yun yung patak. Ito, yan. Pag nilagay mo dyan yung insekto, di ba guys, nakalutang siya. Yun yung tinatawag natin na surface tension. So, dito sa capillary tube, meron siyang, capillary tube. Ito, wait lang no guys. Corresponding formula wherein this guys is what? Is the angle sa capillary tube na nabubuo. Ito yun Wait lang guys. Ito. Yan. Ito yung angle na to. Tapos dito naman sa mercury wherein yung shape niya pabundok. Ito naman yung angle niya guys. Yan yung angle na na-form. Kadalasan yung angle na yan is given. So, pag sa mercury guys, ito yung angle is greater than to 90 degrees and in the water guys, angle is less than to 90 degrees. Kapag angle, asan na yun? Angle less than to 90 degrees, it is an adhesion. Pag dito naman is cohesion. The adhesion, guys, adhesion is the attractive force between the molecules of different substance, while the cohesion, guys, is the attractive force between the molecules of the same substance. Pag cohesion, same substance sila, yun yung attractive force between the molecules and the same substance, while then the adhesion, guys, is different naman yung kanilang substance. So, meron pa ba? Yung ito, surface tension yan. Ito yan. It's the force over L. Yan yung pinaka-general formula niya. Kaso guys, sa surface tension, may iba't ibang klase yan ng surface tension. Yung droplet nila guys. So wait lang, may papakita ko sa inyo. So surface tension is the membrane of the membrane or skin that seems on the free surface of a fluid which is caused by the intermolecular cohesive forces. So ito nga yung sinasabi ko kanina na yung surface tension, pag nilagay yung insects dyan, lulutang yan. Yan tinatawag natin surface tension. It is the property in which, due to the cohesion between the molecules at the surface of a liquid. So, ito yung general formula ng surface tension. Pero minsan nag-iiba yan guys, depende sa length. Minsan yung length to L guys. Given naman sa problem yun guys, sasabihin. So, wherein sa droplet is R delta P over 2, the delta P inside minus outside, R delta P over 4 for the bubbles, and liquid jet is R delta P. Remember that the delta P is inside minus outside. Gets guys? So, wala na pa itong pick pa. Speedrun concept lang yun guys. So, game. Proceed na tayo sa number 1 for the part 2 problems. So, a plate is 0.06 mm distance from a fixed pane. Fluid moves at 105 cm per second. And then, it requires a force of 2.2 Newton per meter squared to maintain the speed. Determine the viscosity, guys. So, ano yung viscosity na to, guys? Tingnan nyo yung mga unit niya sa choices. Newton per meter squared seconds, in which this could be a Pascal seconds. So, anong hinahanap? Sinabi lang sa problem, viscosity. Pero pag tinignan mo sa unit natin, wait lang, no? Ito yan, no? Saan na yun? Ito, 1 Pascal seconds. So, dynamic viscosity yung pinapahanap, guys. Gets ba yun, guys? Ulitin ko, Sinabi sa problem, guys, find the viscosity. Hindi sinabi kung dynamic o kinetic. Kinematic pala. Dahil sa choices, Pascal seconds, so kunin mo yung dynamic viscosity, mu d. So, what is the formula under that? So, yung forces na to is tau. And then yung y, guys, saan yung y? Ito, 0.06, it is the distance. So, y, 0.06 mm equals yan sa 6 times 10 raised to negative 5 meter. So, gets na, guys. So, mu dynamic viscosity, guys, is what? So, dynamic viscosity, meron tayong formula niyan, guys. Wait lang, pakita natin, boy. Ito, boy. Yan. So, sulat mo lang yun, guys. Copyahin mo muna. Mu d. Sorry, guys. Tau yung basa doon, guys. Mu d. dy all over dy all over this could be AV. Yan, guys. Gets? So the dv and the dy, guys, it is the change in velocity with respect to its dv over dy to, guys. Ito yan. Naka-partial differentiation lang yan. dv over dy yan. Itong kulay green na to, guys. So the derivative of the gradient, guys, with respect to its y-axis, guys. Ito yan. Oh, wait lang. Oh, sorry. Tau mu d. Ano yung mu d natin, guys? 2.2 Newton per meter squared. Ito. Tau. Ito pala yung tau natin. Wait, derive ko lang pala, guys. So, tau, inahanap ito. So, tau dy over dv is equal sa mu d. So, mu d is equal sa dy over dv. Tau. Yan, tau. Yun yung shear stress na 2.2, guys. Gets? Dynamic viscosity is 2.2 Newton per meter squared. It's 6 times 10 raised to negative 5 meters over ito yung distance, ito yung velocity. The differentiation of velocity now, guys. 105 centimeter per seconds time is seconds, yung centimeter to meter is 100, guys. So, cancel. Ito rin magka-cancel. So, natira seconds, aangat yan. So, Newton per meter squared seconds. 1.26 times 10 raised to negative 4 Newton per meter squared seconds. Yan yung nasa choices. Or, dynamic viscosity times 10 raised to negative 4. This could be a Pascal seconds, guys. Pares lang naman yun, guys. Ito, letter A. Gets, guys? So, next na tayo kagad. So, a plate having a 103 by 103 millimeter, guys. So, 103 by 103 millimeter. So, sinabi yan, guys. That is the dimension of the plate in which kunin natin yung area yun, guys. Ilan to? Wait lang. 10,609 millimeter squared is pulled with a velocity of 0.07 meter per seconds over a fixed plate at a distance. So, distance yun, guys, 0.35 millimeter. Find the shear force, and power to maintain the velocity that has a mu1 poise. So, ang mu1 poise it is a kinetic, guys. 1 poise. Saan galing yun, guys? Ito. Poise. Oops. That is the dynamic. Hindi siya kinetic. Nagkamali ako, guys. Poise. Poise is under to dynamic viscosity. So, that is letter D, not a kinematic. This is letter D, guys. Sorry. Yan. 1 poise. So, proceed na tayo agad. Determine the shear force. Wait lang. Saan na yung lapis? Yan, shear force. Then the force and the power. Guys. Gets pa ba? O, shear force tayo. Shear force formula is what? Shear force equals to dynamic viscosity dV all over dy. Shear force that is equals to dynamic viscosity is 1 poise. Ito, 1 poise. Ito yan. Tapos yung 1 poise, convert na natin, guys, na ang 1 poise daw is meron siyang 10. Oops, sorry. 1 poise. Ito. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Baka malito kayo. Ito pala. 1 pass equals sa 10 poise. 1 pass equals sa 10 poise. Yan, boy. Goods. So, dv, kunin mo lang dv. dv, that is the velocity, guys. Given tayo nun, 0.07 meter per seconds all over this distance, guys, dy. Eto. Convert mo yung millimeter into meter. Yan, boy. Yan. So, cancel yung poise. Cancel. Cancel nyan to, boy. Tapos to S, cancel. So, Pascal yung natira ng shear force. That is 20 Pascal. So, next. Force. Pinapanap yung force. It is simply. Ano yung tinatanong sa isa, boy? Force. Tama ba? Force. Oo, force. We know that the pressure is force all over area. Force yung hinahanap. F. Siko sa PA. Cross multiply lang yan, guys. Pressure is force all over area, diba, guys? Pressure is force all over area. So this is the force. So force, given tayo ng pressure, is 20. Ito yung pressure natin. 20 Newton per meter squared. Yung area nating na-solve kanina, ilan yun, boy? Ito. Given tayo ng dimension, pinag-times lang natin. 10,609 millimeter squared. Then 1,000 millimeter. Conversion lang yan, guys. Equals sa 1 meter. Then sabay squared. Cancel, cancel. Cancel to, cancel. F is equals sa 0.21 Newton. Goods pa, guys. So, next is the power. Saan na yun? Ito, power to maintain the velocity. Guys, power, it is a unit of, what do you call this? Unit of work per unit of time, diba? That is the power. Or force times the distance per unit of time. Force to, guys, times the distance per unit of time. Kasi ang work formula, guys, is force times the distance. Note that D, eto, guys, D all over T, from DST, guys, physics formula, distance, speed, time, is this equal sa SD all over T. So, ito ay S. Fs. In which yung Fs, guys, this is the force. Yung S is the speed, or Fv, that is the velocity. Force times the velocity. So, power, 0.21 Newton. That is the power. The velocity is given tayo, 0.07 meter per seconds. So, Newton, meter, that is joule. Joule per seconds is watts. 0.015 watts. Goods, guys. So, sana na-gets nyo, guys, no? Eto, bilugin nyo na lang yung mga sagot dyan, no? Wait lang. Alright, boy. Dito na tayo. Viscosity of the water is 70 degrees Celsius. Is what? Mu T is 0.00402. Poise. And its specific gravity is 0.978. Determine its absolute viscosity. Absolute viscosity is still a dynamic viscosity in Pascal second, and its kinematic viscosity at Stokes. Yan yung pinapahanap ng problema na to, guys. Gets pa, guys? So, sige, hanapin muna natin yung tinatawag natin na dynamic viscosity, guys. In Pascal seconds. So, meron na tayo. Ito. Wait lang. 0.0402 poise. Convert mo lang yan, guys. Napakadali. 1 Pascal second is equal sa 10 points. So, ganito yan, no? 1 pass equals sa 10 poise. Sa bawat pasa mo ng bola sa basketball, guys, nakakasampung puntos yung kakampi mo. So, ganun yun, guys. 1 pass equals sa 10 points. Ganun nyo na lang basahin, guys, points para di nakakalimutan. So, cancel yung poise. The Pascal seconds is 0.00. 402 Pascal seconds. Yan na yung dynamic viscosity. Wala nang tanong-tanong, guys. Okay. Mu K. So, ano yung kinematic viscosity formula natin kasi, guys? Wait lang. Eto. Eto, mu K, mu D over density. Yan, di ba, guys? Yan. Okay, wait lang. Ano yun? Mu K, mu D all over density. Wait lang, guys, no? Is mu D all over density. Asa na yun, D, guys? So, pwede natin mahanap yung density, guys, sa formula. Kaso, guys, matagal yun. Abutin ka pa ng siyam-siyam sa conversion. Pwede mo to solve, guys. Mu K using this formula, guys. Kunin mo lang yung density niyan, guys, using SG, density of the fluid all over the density of water. Makukuha mo dyan density of fluid, recta substitute na yan dito, guys. Matagal yun, guys. Ngayon, eto, may papakita ko sa inyo, boy. Eto, speedrun technique, oh. Alternate formula, poise equals sa SG, Stoke. Okay, wait lang. Oops. Poise equals sa SG, Stoke. Oh, ano yung poise natin? Given ba tayo ng units of poise dyan? Meron, eto. Sulat mo lang yan, guys. Dapat in poise units, ah. SG boy, ano yung SG boy is 0.978. Tapos Stoke, wala tayo niyan. Yan yung gusto ng problem. Bakit yan yung gusto ng problem mo? Kinematic viscosity at Stoke. Hanapin ang kinematic viscosity, use unit of Stoke in unit of Stoke, guys. So Stoke was to 0.00402. Stoke ay poise over 0.978. Stoke is equals to 4.11 times 10 raised to negative 3. Stoke. Yan yung unit niya, guys. Gets? Naka-stoke siya, guys, but the unit is Stoke. But this is considered as mu K na nun siya, guys. Gets pa ba, guys? Gets lang, guys. Bakit kinonsider tong mu K? Kasi yan yung gusto ng problem. Kinematic viscosity in unit of Stoke. Kumbaga dito, guys, rektahan lang. Dapat yung unit mo in poise and then yung makukuha mo is unit of Stoke. Halimbawa, nilagay mo dito Stoke, makukuha mo ng value nun, guys, is unit of poise. Gets? So, eto, number 2, guys, okay, next. A liquid viscosity of 5.2 times 10 raised to negative 5. This is a pound force per second feet squared. That is the dynamic viscosity, guys. Is flowing in a rectangular duct. The equation of the symmetrical velocity feet per second is approximately V 7 feet per second, where Y is in inches. Compute the velocity gradient. So, sige, proceed tayo, guys. Velocity gradient at Y is equals to 3 inches from the wall and the shear stress of the fluid at that point. Compute the dynamic gradient, velocity gradient, guys. So, velocity of gradient, eto yan. Note na may formula tayo sa eto, guys, wait lang. Saan na yun? Eto. Ito yung pinapanap natin ng problem niyan, guys. Velocity gradient. Wait lang guys. Hindi ko makita yung problem. Ito. So, game. Pag kinuha na dv over dy guys, kaso makikita nyo may given tayo ng equation. Kunin mo yung derivative nito guys with respect to y. Derivative of b with respect to y guys. So 0.3, yung exponent magta-times yan sa harap. Y, tapos 0.7 minus 1, diba guys? Derivative lang yan guys, dv all over dy. Magma-minus yung exponent pag nag-derivative ka, diba guys? This is 0.21. And then y minus 0.3. But the unit of this is in feet per seconds. Ito, feet per seconds daw. Kaso sinabi sa problem, meron ka daw y at 3 inches. Kaso, makikita mo sa mga units is feet per second inches. So, recta substitute mo lang yan guys. 0.21 y is 3 minus 0.3 in inches feet per seconds guys. Ilan yan guys? 0.21 all over 3. Bakit in all over 3 ko? Kasi negative to exponent. So 0.3 inches times yan ng feet per seconds guys. Gets pa guys? So insert mo sa calculator mo to guys. Ano yung sagot guys? 0.151 feet per seconds inches. Ito na yung sagot guys sa dv all over dy. Gets pa guys? Okay, next is the shear stress. Formula niyan is mu d is equals sa dv all over dy. Mu shear stress, mu dynamic viscosity times the dv over dy ng gradient, velocity gradient. So, equals sa mu dynamic viscosity. Ito yan, no? Sulat mo lang sa calculator mo yan, boy. Pound force seconds per feet squared. Naka-times siya na 0.151 feet per seconds in inches. So, paano na to guys? Cancel. May matitirang isang feet. Yung seconds, maka-cancel. Oops, ano yung unit niya nito guys? Pound force feet. Pound. Wait lang guys, di ko makita. Pound force feet squared. So, linawin ko lang ulit. Medyo pangit yung sulat natin guys. 0.151 feet per seconds inches to. Inches. And then this one guys. So, wait lang guys. Pound. Seconds tapos to feet, diba guys? So, unit analysis lang tayo guys. So, cancel ang segundo. Ito ay naka-feet squared pala. Yan. Cancel to. Cancel, may matitirang isa. So, pound force, feet. Tapos, itong inches, convert na lang natin guys. This is 12 inches equals 1 feet. Yan guys, cancel inches, feet times feet is feet squared. Pound force, feet squared. Gets na guys. 9.42 times 10 raised to negative 5 pound force feet squared guys. Gets sana yung unit analysis guys. So, pagpasensya nyo guys, ang bangin na sulat. O game. Find the depression of age of the mercury, that is the capillary tube in the glass capillary tube having the diameter of 2 mm guys. If the surface tension is 0.514 Newton per meter, the theta is 40 degree angle. So the formula is what? H equals to 4 surface tension ng cosine theta all over the specific weight of the fluid, which is yung fluid natin dyan guys is mercury, So, meron na tayong 4 surface tension. Wala tayong specific weight ng mercury. To identify that, guys, is SG. Specific weight ng mercury yung susulat natin dito kasi fluid yan over the density ay the specific weight of the water, guys. Mercury, SG nun is 13.6. 13.6. Mercury, HG na lang lagay ko, guys. Let's denote that is a mercury. So, 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter, guys. Oops, hindi pala siya 1,000. So, that is the specific weight of the water is 9.9810 Newton per cubic meter. So, specific weight of mercury. Ulitin ko, guys. Ang specific weight ng tubig is 9.810 Newton per cubic meter. That is a constant. Is 13.6 of 9.810 Newton per cubic meter, guys. So, insert in the problem, guys, for surface tension is 0.514 Newton per meter. And then, guys, ano pa? Cosine of 40-degree angle all over specific weight. Ito yan, no? Yan, no? Is 13.6 of 9.810 Newton per cubic meter of the D. Ano yung diameter nito, guys? 2 millimeter in meters is 2 times 10 raised to negative 3 in meters. Convert mo na lang, guys. Times 10 raised to negative 3 meters. So, Newton cancel. Cancel to. May matitirang dalawa. Cancel to. May matitirang isa. So, H, meter is aangat. So, the unit, guys, is meter. 5.90. 5.90. Wait lang, guys. 5.90 times 10 raised to negative 3 meters, guys. Or, in millimeter is 5.903 millimeter. Convert mo na lang, guys. Meters to. Ito, millimeter. So, let's check. To, letter A, guys. Gets 5.903 millimeter or 5.9 millimeter. Water is the value of the surface tension of small droplet of 0.3 millimeter in diameter which is contact with air if the pressure within the droplet is 561 Pascal, guys. So, sinabi sa problem, guys, within the droplet. So, punta ka lang ng surface tension formula for the droplet. Ito yan, no? R delta P all over 2 in which dalawang radius is equal sa isang diameter. R D all over 2. So, yung R, palitan ko lang yan dito. D all over 2 times delta P all over 2. D delta P all over 4. This is for the surface tension of the droplet. D alpha P over 4. Ano kasi yung formulang dP all over 4, d alpha p all over 4, guys. Gets pa, guys? So, ulitin ko, d alpha p all over 4. That is for the droplet, guys. D, ano yung D natin, guys? Millimeter. Convert to meter. Eto, guys. Di ba meron tayong formula dito, guys, which is what? Yun yung P inside minus P outside. So, give lang tayo, guys. Pressure lang kagad. So, let's assume that this is could be a 561 Newton per meter squared minus 0 na Newton per meter squared. Kasi walang sinabi. So, yan na yan, guys. Over 561 minus 0 is still 561. So, wag ko nalagay ito. Over 4. Cancel, cancel. Matitira yung meter na isa. 3 times 10 raised to negative 4. 561 Newton per meter all over 4. Anong sagot dito, guys? Surface tension for the droplet 0.042 Newton per meter. Gets, guys? So, I hope na gets, guys. So, that's the formula for the surface tension of the Asa na yun? Droplet guys. So, dito guys, droplet, bubbles, and then liquid jet guys. Mababanggit naman sa problem yun guys. Formula base, and then wait lang, 0.042. Ito yung answer natin guys, letter B. So, I hope na gets guys. So, that's all guys. So, paki-like yung video natin, paki-share na rin guys. So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you and God bless.